Let's talk about the time I tried to ruin the dishwasher that maybe has had 10 loads of dishes in it. I had this bright idea I should clean the grill things by putting them in the dishwasher. Now, I did not know that they had been painted 18,000 times. So luckily, the dishwasher wasn't ruined. I just cleaned the paint out of it. Then I went to scraping off all the paint that didn't come off in the dishwasher. And I contemplated numerous times I should just buy one. But my husband convinced me to spray paint it. So here I am with sparkly spray paint. We sprayed 2 coats. It probably doesn't look good at all angles, but it works for now. And nobody will fall through.